fuck we got going on, man? We back. Another video. Big 6-0. Hair 9 rolling. Shit, but we out here. We got her in the shop today. About to put her up on the lift. We about to finally install them heavies. You feel? She look clean as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I'm on solo video type shit today. So I'm just gonna load her up. I'm gonna install by myself. Slick, give y'all like a walkthrough of how to install. Just launch your heads. It's really easy, honestly. Hardest part might be just extending the O2 wires because I bought used and my dumbass ain't getting no O2 extensions. And then probably just moving the steering rack. I mean, not the steering rack, the steering shaft, like disconnecting it just to fit it on the driver's side. But other than that, it should be an easy install, to be honest. If I go through any issues, I'll just go ahead and update y'all on what I struggled on. But we about to go ahead and get on the lift. Alright, so what we really need to do, disconnect all these spark plug wires first. Just get them out the way. Disconnect them from the bottom. This steering shaft, we might need to disconnect. Move up out the way, unhook it right there. Do not touch the wheel if you unhook this, because you're gonna fuck up your clock spring. You don't wanna fuck that shit up. So we're just gonna disconnect these spark plug wires. And these bitches on this. I might just leave them. And all this should come off. Same shit on the other side, so yeah, just go ahead, take all this shit off. It's really simple. Everything's in front of you, bro. I might fuck it up, but y'all can't fuck it up. You feel me? So look, while you're under the car, might as well just spray PB Blaster. Take this upstream O2 sensor out. For these, you're gonna need an extender, so we're just gonna extend the wires because I do not have the extenders. The steering rack is that bolt right there. Most likely a 13. You see that bolt right there? I might have to need to disconnect it, not too sure. I'm on the list, so I'm really getting spoiled for real, man. Y'all boys, I know y'all hating because y'all gonna do this shit on jack stands, but don't hate me. But yeah, just gonna disconnect this shit. Should be pretty simple. Not be too bad of an install actually. So we're just gonna disconnect this O2 sensor. It actually might end up being a 21 ratchet because this 24 look too big, or a 22. And then just that steering rack for the people that need to. I'm gonna let y'all know if I end up having to, is that bolt right there. I'm not good at install videos. And then take those off from the top. On mine, since it has the cat delete already, I'm gonna end up having to cut this and probably run open headers. I know, but I'm about to be loud as fuck. Damn, but yeah, to fit the long tubes, they should mount up right here, hopefully. So just gonna go ahead and go. Man, one thing I should say, if you go over here by installing, get you some PB Blaster right there, bro. This shit come out like butter. I'm trying to tell y'all. So you're gonna need a 22 wrench to get to these upstream O2 sensors. Shit came out like butter, not gonna lie. This one does not need an extension, but this one will most likely need an extension. I'm gonna pray it doesn't, but if it does, we're just gonna end up and extend the O2 wire. If you do purchase new Kooks header, which is what we're installing, they're gonna come with one extender on the driver's side. It's just one needed for the driver's side. I know speed engineering doesn't really require them, but I'm gonna see if we can get away with not extending them. If we have to, I'll go ahead and show y'all that process too, but shit gonna be light work. All right, let's get to it. All right, next tool you gonna need, get you one of these, but invest in one of these. I got the plus, I got them for 150, but got like 300. Invest in one. It's a 15 right there for the upper flanges on the bolts. I did just spray PB Blaster on everything, bro. I'm not trying to deal with nothing, but to get some extensions, mad accessible. At least it should be. This shit about to fall off, look like a limp dick, motherfucker. God damn, but yeah, just go ahead and get this bitch in there. Fuck, I might have to put the cam down, but y'all get the idea. 15 for the upper flanges. It might even be 15 bolts for the header bolts. I'm just trying to let y'all know what tools y'all gonna need, but yep, about to cut it off now. Man, I'm so glad I went at last, dude. Look, this all you really need. 15 for the flanges. Well, you're gonna need 15 minutes for those. The upper flanges. See, I already got them off. You can tell. They off. And then the side bolts, they just 13s, bro. Just take them off. Spark plug wires, they not chunk them off, so I'm gonna just take everything off first. I mean, I think for the side gonna be a 16 for that dipstick tool holder, but 13, 15, 22 for the O2 sensor. And you chilling, bro. That's all I've used, bro. Going LS, simple, bro. So glad I switched over from Ford. Finally went ahead, finally got the stock ones out, man. Throwing in the new Kooks long tools 178. This one was a bitch to get out, bro. I just said fuck it. Disconnected the exhaust a little bit. I'm probably gonna end up even needing to cut this anyway, so it really doesn't matter. And I just took it out from under here. It was just so much more simple. The top was just giving me issues, so we got the new ones out. We're using stock gaskets, we're using stock bolts. Time to set up in the Kooks 178. Finally got them on. Just tighten everything up down. But y'all see it. New spark plug wires too, cause fuck it, might as well right down here. But yeah, got the Kooks. Y'all see it. Easy install. So just gonna give y'all some exhaust clips when everything's in. I got y'all. Alright, let's see. You think it's gonna be that loud?
Yeah, it's gonna be loud, dude.
I know it's gonna be loud, but I don't know how.
Guess you're gonna forget.
Check engine light, thank God. Jot down in the first. It been loud as fuck, dog. This shit's stupid loud, twin. God damn. Well, you really can't hear it too much, but you hear my exhaust rattling down there. Oh, that shit don't sound. I need to take it to an exhaust shop already, but fuck, this shit is loud as hell. Open headers. Exhaust shop, hopefully Tuesday, tomorrow. Kind of want to ride open headers just for a little bit. Feel like I got a race car when I really